21. God. Motherfucker. Alright. Well, that's 2. Much nicer, much warmer. Oh. It has not stopped raining. 10 o'clock, 4 hours left. Oh, it's hard to locate them today because they're just roaming. They're not keyed in on any one thing. What a crappy day. What up? I didn't know that was you. Huh?
Checking?
I got 2. You?
I got 3, but only 1 I'd be happy with. I just caught him 19.
I got a 21.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you kidding? Did you just see that? That thing wrapped around that tree like 17 times.
I know. I got all the way to my spot this morning. It started raining and I was freezing. I had to go back and get my rain gear.
I went back and changed because I was not wearing the right rain gear.
I don't know if they went deep or what.
I don't know. As soon as it started to rain, I started getting them on the. Had some blow ups on the speed worm. That's what I caught the big one on, and then once it started to pour, that was it. Come on, dude. Get off my boat. Little guy. That was a giant. God, these things are strong. Oh God. That is a large one. Hell yeah. 19.75. Dude, if I get another one of those. It sucks, man.
It's just not letting up. It's like the sun, like it's getting brighter, and I'm like, all right, sweet. You know?
Yeah. No, it'll stop when we get off the water.
Yeah, that's true.
Like it always does.
There'll be another big one.
Yeah, I want to try. That's an 18.5. So glad I decided to toss this in here. I got an 18.75. What was that? Oh, I got a good bag. I got a good bag. That's why I love junk fishing. I would not have caught that fish if I was sticking to this pattern. Saw some wood. Seemed like a good spot to throw the chatterbait. Boom. Ah, it's got me thinking. It's like, should have just, now that I got a good limit, just throw the chatterbait for the rest of the day? Only the chatterbait looking for a big bite. Crack that rock. Whoa, man, oh man. I've never been outside of the first cove that we launched in, so all of this is new to me. I feel like I should go back to that cove because I'm still trying to win, but I'm also trying to pre-fish. So like, I want to check out back here, see what. Oh my God. You see that? That was a fish. Oh. It's like what? It's like a 14. Okay. That might have been a 15 or 16. Oh, this looks so good back here. Oh, 69 degrees back here. Water thin. That's interesting. Much colder. God, this looks like the spot where there's just a giant hanging out.